Now here is a game changer. If you're using the Redmi 14C and you notice that each time that you minimize your apps and you come back to them, it kills the process and you have to restart. Here's a quick fix that can change the game for you. So all you need to do is just go to the settings on your Redmi 14C or your phone you're using. Probably this works for other phones. Okay, so you just scroll down to your battery and then additional features like this, and then you see where it's written clear cache when device is locked. So you just choose never. So when you select that option, just know that if you leave your app open for long, the cache is not going to be cleared and you can continue from where you stopped. So that's it. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell. Thank you.